In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtitles in Stremio. Subtitles can significantly enhance your viewing experience, especially if you're watching content in a language different from your own, or if you simply prefer having text to accompany your audio. Stremio simplifies this process, letting you enjoy your shows and movies with just a few clicks. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll need to open the Stremio application on your device. Stremio is a popular choice for streaming content because of its user-friendly interface and wide range of available add-ons. Once you've got Stremio open, look towards the top of your screen where you'll find several icons. One of these icons will look like a puzzle piece. This is the add-ons section. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the add-ons section, you'll see multiple categories listed. One important category to focus on is the official add-ons. Clicking here will direct you to a curated selection of add-ons that are fully integrated and supported by Stremio itself, ensuring a smooth and reliable experience. Within this selection, you should look for an add-on called Open Subtitles. It's a well-known subtitles provider offering a wide variety of subtitles in different languages for all kinds of movies and shows. Once you find Open Subtitles in the official add-ons list, click on the Install button. The installation should only take a moment. It's a straightforward process designed to integrate seamlessly with Stremio. This add-on fetches the most appropriate subtitles for your chosen content, minimizing the hassle of manually searching for compatible subtitles. After you've completed the installation, it might be necessary to restart Stremio. This step ensures that your newly installed add-on is properly integrated and ready to use. Closing the app and then reopening it might seem like a minor step, but it can be crucial in ensuring everything works smoothly. If your add-on doesn't appear to be functioning correctly right away, a good first fix is to restart the application, as this often resolves minor integration issues. Now you're all set. With Open Subtitles installed, Stremio will automatically offer you subtitle options whenever you start playing content. Simply choose your preferred subtitle language from the options provided, and you're ready to enjoy your movie or TV show with clear, synced subtitles. This feature is particularly handy for multilingual households, or when exploring international cinema. To wrap up, adding subtitles in Stremio is an effortless process thanks to the integration of add-ons like Open Subtitles. With these steps, you can enhance your streaming experience, making it more inclusive and engaging. Enjoy your content with the added clarity of subtitles, and happy viewing.